अस्सलाम स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 4। आज का वीडियो लेक्चर हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन से रिलेटेड है और अगर आप पेज नंबर 13 ओपन करें तो इस पर 3 मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्रॉब्लम है। एक सॉल्व कर चुका हूँ मैं यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी और ये मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व करेंगे साथ साथ, और थर्ड प्रॉब्लम आपकी एज अ होमवर्क असाइनमेंट होगी। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास 3 नंबर्स थे, सॉरी मल्टीप्लिकेंड हमारे पास अप टू 10,000 था क्योंकि 24,358 है, और हमारा जो मल्टीप्लायर है वो अप टू हंड्रेड्स है यानी कि 465। सो इसका ये आंसर है। सेम इसी पैटर्न पे अगर मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता हूँ, इट विल बी लाइक 4 4s are 16, 1 carried here, 4 1s are 4 makes 5, 4 9s are 36, 3 carried here, 4 6 are 24 and 3 makes 27. Because we are now multiplying this value with the tens place, so we have to place a cross or a zero for the as a tens multiplier. Now 3 4s are 12, 1 carried here, 3 1s are 3 makes 4, 1 carried, 4 and 9, 3 9s are 27 and 2 will be carried here, 3 6 are 18, 18 1 and 8. Now if we add both these values, 6 7, 6 and 4 makes 10, 1 carried here, 7 and 14 and 1 makes 5, and 1 carried here, 10 and 1 makes 11 and 2. Now I have written the answer here. We can compare our answer and see if it's correct one or not. And as you can see that our answer is not actually correct. It says 235,076, and what I have got here is 2100 and 215,000. So we have to check it again. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 makes carry makes 5, and 4 9s are 36, 3 carry here, 4 6 are 24 and 3 makes 27. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, okay, 1 makes 4, 3 9s are 27, for 27, 7 placed here, 2 carried here, 3 6 are 18, and I believe I haven't added the carry here. 3 9s are 27, 2 carry here, 3 6 are 18, and 2 makes actually 20. So that was my mistake. It's actually 20 here. Now our problem solution will be a little bit different. Now we have here 1 and 2 makes 3, so we get the overall answer here 235,076, which is actually correct. So for the next value you have to, next question, you have to write it vertically just like that. 6190 multiplies to 79. Now you have to multiply them and solve them on your own. You can get your help from your tutors or your parents too. If you still have any problems or if you want to compare answers, you can watch the next video lecture. I will be explaining this question in the or solving it for you guys in the next video, so the students which were unable to solve it on their own, they can solve it by watching the next video lecture. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.